Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record multiple sources as separate video files in OBS without running multiple instances of OBS. Okay. So in simple words, let's say if I want to record this laptop screen of mine, and let's say if I just add another source over here, like beats, let's say with the so and I have my Logitech MX Play on here. I'll just add it and let me just scale it down a bit. It should be okay. So let me just fill it down for. So let's say I want to record both of them. So I want this my video as well and my laptop display screen also. So both of them I want. Yeah. Okay. So what will I do now? See, one way is to run multiple instances of OBS, but that's again not the ideal way because again you have to multiple times you have to click on start recording of all the windows and then once you're done, stop recording off. So a better approach would be to just I can go to file, sets. Okay. And now see here in settings what I will under video here and going to change the resolution. Okay. So right now you can see that DS canvas is 1920 to 1080, right? But let's say I want to report two full-HD images. Okay, so I'll just open a calculator and I will make enough space here for two videos. So basically 1920 times so 38. So my I change this base canvas resolution to 3840 times 1080. Okay. Base and out. So here I cannot change right now because I'm recording. So let me just change it and then I again start the recording. Okay. So now you can see I have changed the space resolution and the scale resolution to 3840 times 10. So you can see aspect ratio earlier it was 16:9, that is 3:9. So now on the same canvas, I can fit two windows side. After doing this, I'll keep on apply at that. And now once I click on OK, you can see I have additional space to the left and right of this. And now I can just drag one of my sleeves to this side. Yep. And my this other sleeve. Okay. That now you can see both my screens are getting recorded simultaneously. Yeah. Okay. And basically, once I get back to Premiere Pro or your any editing software, then you can just slice it from the MIDI and replicate the video to get both the screens together in a single MIDI file. So this is basically the more efficient way and the more better or the cleaner approach. So now this has been recorded. Now let me just end this recording again and I'll show you how this looks. Okay. Okay, so I'm back to the normal resolution 1920 and now let's see how that video. Okay, so I just go to file, show recordings, and this is my latest one. So just double click on this takes some time to open, and once it is open, yeah, from there you can see once I made it double, now you can see here two copies. So both of them are getting recorded side by side. Okay. So that is something that I wanted to show you over here. And now I can just use both of them, split them in the middle in Premiere Pro and Woodstep. So that was all for this video. Thank you and bye bye.